Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learning and understanding about generative AI journey for learning master in Python. So a very important points you are going to understanding in this video lecture. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is a artificial intelligence concept where you can get and create ample of content creation, the query which is based on your requirement. So asking a query to generative AI tools, many tools are available nowadays in the industry. That would be like ChatGPT, Gemini, Google Bard AI, Microsoft Copilot. So many things are possible. So learn with using any one of generative AI tool to start learning Python, a step-by-step process. The step-by-step process would be like learning, like identifying variables, identifying data types, and flow of control flow statement, how to start, and making a decision making system. So is it possible to maintain and write all the source code or all the web development concepts or pretty complex SQL queries? These all are possible? No. Ask ChatGPT or generative AI techniques to learn and apply concepts in your way. So you would become a master in generative AI tools, and learning Python is a very super easy and comfortable for your future career. So learning and doing using these concepts, a step-by-step process, asking a query and implementing your local development area, such as small programs like making a calculator program, TV remote program, and also not only the simple and basic funda. If you are having a basic idea how to write a Python coding, a step-by-step process, yes, also you become a successfully prepared RESTful APIs. There are free open source concepts like weather reporting system is possibly there, where the current weather reports you may want to get in entire world using this RESTful API services. Yes, learn to build own RESTful API services using generative AI tools. So it would be greatly helpful for you to making a strong potential in your career. The wondering you will see, the building and making real world concepts and real world application developments, these all are possible. Want to try more? Yes, harisystems is also offering a great courses like beginners who don't know about the coding and who want to start from scratch. Yes, pin-to-pin information, step-by-step process to making you master in coding. Yes, courses are possibly there, online courses with low price. If you are really interested, want to try, find the below description links for online courses. If you are very much interested, start learning today.